Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We're going to take these cute little scoops we got from Hobby Lobby at the end of last season, and we are going to paint the inside white. I left the outside rim and the rest of the handle alone, just the inside is white, in case any of it's shown when we're done. And we're going to give that a good dry. And then I took a baby wipe and some burnt umber and just went around the rest of the scoop front and back. So give it a nice little stained look. These are really pretty, just left unfinished as well. Gave that a good dry. And then I grabbed my daughter's pom-poms. She has them all organized by color, and I used pretty much all of her white ones, so now I need to replenish those. But I started with the bigger ones toward the bottom, and then the medium, and then the tinier ones at the top, and just filling in gaps and holes as I went, and making it look like a full scoop of snowballs. I was just using hot glue on the bottom. I did take a nail file and go around the edge of the scoops as well to bring back some of that lightness and kind of give it like a trimmed look. And then I take some Mod Podge and I just place it on the top of all the pom-poms. And I'm going to fold a piece of parchment paper, and then we are going to sprinkle diamond dust on these and gently tap it into the pom-poms, into that Mod Podge. And then we'll fold our piece of parchment paper back up and put the excess back in the bottle for next time. And then I have this shirt that Alana stained, and I've been using it for bows. And so I cut 2 strips of that. It's just black and red. Could do any colors. I thought this was really pretty together though. And I just made knots. I didn't even do a bow or anything crazy. You could do a little tag here. You could drill a hole in the tops of these and make them ornaments. That'd be cute. I thought these would be cute little dough bowl fillers. So I just grabbed 2 white roses. They're little like charms. And I glued them in there, guys. Look how cute these are. The Mod Podge dries clear, so then you just see the shimmer from the diamond dust and the pom-poms. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a follow, and we'll see you next time.